A Geauga County woman will spend 9.5 years in prison for driving drunk and hitting and killing a Geauga County judge last year. Last May, police say it was Kelly Cox who got behind the wheel of her car after having more than a dozen drinks. Her 2 kids were in the back seat when she hit and killed Judge Charles Henry while he was riding his bike. She then took off. News Channel 5's KRISTIN BYRNE joins us now. KRISTIN, and I understand it was a very emotional day in court this morning.
Tracy, it's been about 9 months since this happened. Even though some time has passed, that doesn't seem to matter. There was hardly a dry eye in the courtroom today.
Her attorney called her an incredibly troubled woman. In court today, Kelly Cox, at first hiding her face when she walked in, sat somberly and listened while the family of the man she killed took the podium.
My brother is gone forever. In an attempt at objectivity, Miss Cox has her whole life ahead of her. She is the one who has some hope here.
Some of them reminding the judge Kelly Cox had a blood alcohol level 3 times the legal limit, 3 hours after the accident. Judge Henry's family said they wanted Cox to receive the maximum sentence.
I miss you, and I can't believe you're gone. I miss when we were able to talk every day, and I'm mad at myself for not asking you anything important.
Please accept our sincerest apologies.
Cox's sister and husband, crying in the courtroom, stepped up to speak, apologizing to the Henry family for their loss. Kelly Cox herself turned to face them. She admitted she was drinking that night. Then she said she was sorry.
I pray for you. My children pray for you. There's nothing more than I wish I could just go back to that day. I would have never, ever, maliciously, ever hurt anybody and ever let anybody stay on the side of the road.
Her tearful words didn't matter much to the judge. He told Cox he's concluded she had no real remorse for her actions, only excuses.
And the judge went on to say that Kelly Cox kept changing her story throughout court proceedings, claiming though she hit a deer, a mailbox, or the raccoon ran in her path. As part of her sentence, her driver's license is taken away from her from the rest of her life, and she will have to pay for Judge Henry's funeral and burial expenses. Live in the newsroom, KRISTIN BYRNE, News Channel 5.